Now we are going to try the half locust or Ardha Shalabhasana. For this, you have to take your arms first under the body and take your chin out in the front as far as possible. So here we are going to lift only our right leg up first. As high as it is possible, the left knee comes off the ground and the knee is straight. And then you take the right leg down. Then you put the right toes on the ground and lift your left leg in the same manner. This can be done repeatedly. The right knee should come off the ground and can go down. Then you can relax. Shalabhasana. So we did half, now we do the complete Shalabhasana. You have to take your arms underneath the body, just like before. Keeping the chin out in the front as far as possible. Here, you will try to lift both legs, but you can do it one at a time if you like. So go for it. Slowly lift the legs off the ground and try to go as high as it is possible. Depending on your strength and flexibility, you can go higher and come down. Rest. Return.